Hey guys, got an FX Siren look for you this time. Figured I could refresh the corset I created for my NYX entry last year and create a whole new underwater creature. So hope you stick around and keep watching. Glue down the eyebrows and take some Telesis Beta Bond Plus and apply a foam latex prosthetic. This is by Rubberware. It's called Leonine Forehead, and I got it from mostlydead.com. Starting from the center of the face and working out, once all the edges are down, I added some old foam latex ears that I had, and I did go ahead and pre-paint these. Covered the forehead piece with some of the Beta Bond to seal it for paint, then used some latex on the edges of the ears and the forehead to blend into the skin. Powdered it all down with Skin Illustrator Zero Color Powder. With Mehron Paradise paint in teal, apply to the outer parts of the body and face with a brush. Follow that up with white Mehron and fill in the remaining skin and blending it into the teal a bit. Seal it with Skin Illustrator Zero Marble Sealer. Put the Mehron white in an airbrush and build up some of the areas. And take the teal color and airbrush some of the contour areas. Now with Skin Illustrator Blue Bayou, paint the ear tips and start to really carve out some of those shadow areas. In the middle of the forehead, I did some soft noodling patterns for texture. And start to map out where the gills will be. Back with the white Mehron, create splotchy textures on the chest and brighten up some areas and add highlights along the tops of the blue gill lines. Went through and spattered the white quite heavily on the body and went a little lighter on the face. Grabbed Mehron edge in black and painted the gills. Then using the Collective Cosmetics Fly 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 eyeshadow shade, add it to above the black line. Take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nervina Pro Pigment Volume 1 palette using C1 on the highlight areas of each gill. And a quick spritz of sealer. Then use Mehron edge in white to add sections of brighter highlighting. And put on some Anastasia eye primer. Back to the Pro Pigment palette, take D5, applying it to the outer portion of the eyes and creating a bit of a wing. Add a little bit of the C1 color in the inner third of the upper lid and under the black on the lower lash line. And start to add it as highlight points on the face. Use Skin Illustrator Black Concentrate to paint under the jawline and bring some of the markings down to the center of the throat. Added some spots around it and then color in the area of the arm, doing the same thing with little spotting details coming out from it. Some spots on the ears, and then some striped details along the jaw. Finally, add some markings down the forehead. With the Collective Cosmetics eyeshadow shade in Talisman, create some interesting shading patterns in the gills. Then bring it up to the face to deepen some of the contours. Next, using the white C1 pigment, put highlights between where the Collective Cosmetics color was, followed with the D5 to darken the edges of the gills. Took some more of the Mehron white edge to bump up stark highlights and sealed everything. Some more of the Collective Cosmetics Fly 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 color to make the gills a little pink and tender looking. Then with Skin Illustrator Platinum, lightly add some scale textures using a stencil. The Collective Cosmetics Moontwin Palette, take the highlighter Dazzling and pop all those highlight points. With KVD Vegan Beauty Lash Liner, fill in the lash lines, leaving the lower inner lash line untouched. Use NYX Professional Makeup with That's the Point Eyeliner to darken above the lashes and put on some false lashes. Taking some Beta Bond, mix the Gemstone Magic Glitter and Pastel Diamond and add some onto the prosthetic above the eye. Then using some NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer, to add some of that same glitter onto the lid. Taking Gemstone Magic glitter in Pisces and the Beta Bond mixture, jazz up the gills and shoulders, pressing some dry glitter into the areas where it may still be tacky after drying. Use Skin Illustrator Black on my lips and put the Pastel Diamond Glue mixture on the lower lip and left the top lip plain black. Apply some Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Then using NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk in the inner corner of the eye and press some C1 into it to set it. Grab the Collective Cosmetics Multi Lacquer and Nimbostratus and gloss the lips. A little more of the Collective Cosmetics Dazzling Highlighter and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.